Hello random person. Many of you wanted to know how to make a comment older than the video. So here is how for mobile and desktop. Desktop. Go to your channel and click upload. Select the desired file. Open the desired file. Name it something. Go through all of the steps. Now is the important part. Make sure to set the video to unlisted. Save the video. Click View on YouTube. It will bring you to your video page. Comment something. One day later, or however long, go back to the video and click Public. Now you are done. Let's do mobile now. Go to your channel, find the video you want, go through the steps. Make sure the video is set to unlisted. Once the video has uploaded, go to the video section, then click Manage Videos. You should find the video there. Click on it and comment something. Later, or however long you want, go back to the Manage Videos section and click on the three dots next to the video. Instead of unlisted, make the video public. So there you guys have it. Proof that I am not using hacks or something. Lol. Subscribe for free pretzels and a voice reveal at 10k subs. Okay, bye for now.